Crews know that looking for tools, materials, and equipment wastes time, and that's money. But Tool Connect tool and asset tracking can help you take control. It's a 3-part inventory management solution with connected products, a free mobile app, and an inventory manager web portal that tracks assets across multiple job sites. The Tool Connect system gives you 4 ways to connect. Tool Connect tools feature integrated Bluetooth technology. Tools include 3 drills, an impact driver, an area light, and a laser distance measure. Use last seen to see where your tools last were on a map. Customize your tool settings for optimal performance. And view real-time diagnostics on usage. The connector tracks your existing DeWalt 20-volt max tools. It attaches permanently to prevent removal. Can disable the tool if it goes out of range. And adds virtually no weight. Get Tool Connect tracking without reinvesting in a new system. The tag is for tracking everything else on the job site. Attach it to anything, including equipment, tools, and materials. It's water resistant and dustproof to withstand harsh job site conditions. And unlike competition, a large pair button and blue Identify light make pairing and finding the tag easy. Tool Connect batteries also come in 2 amp hour and 5 amp hour. Tool Connect is a closed system, so no one else can pair with your assets. It's added security for the moving parts of your business. It's a full connected solution. Tool Connect. Manage your tools anywhere by DeWalt.
So how does this all work? SwimSafe uses patented RF technology to monitor swimmers anywhere around water. Set the swim level for each swimmer, put on the band, and let the kids splash and have fun. The SwimSafe hub stays in constant contact with every band, checking in several times a second. If a swimmer is submerged for too long, the hub and bands will alert parents and lifeguards with flashing lights and sirens. Developed by physicians, designers, and engineers, Seal SwimSafe gives kids and parents the confidence to learn to swim without inhibiting their fun. Get Seal SwimSafe for your family.
Tools is setting the new standard in chalk lines with a snapback releasable tip. Whether you're 20 stories up or in your backyard, the snapback will make your job easier and more efficient. The competition can't keep up with the snapback tip's innovative design. It literally snaps back so you don't have to walk back. Never chase your chalk line across a workspace again. Just snap the line, reel it in, and keep working. The snapback cuts steps in half. While the rest are trudging across the workspace, you'll be finishing your project. The Snapback Chalk Line is an essential tool for anyone seeking to work safe, fast, and efficiently. Get the tools that rule and learn more about the world's best chalk line at
The new QuickBox QSX from Tape Tech is the first finishing box specifically designed to be used with fast-setting joint compounds. The 6.5-inch QuickBox QSX is the perfect tool for contractors who use fast-setting joint compound for the first coat over paper or fiberglass joint tape. Constructed from advanced space-age materials, fast-setting joint compound is easily removed from the finishing box, even hours or days later. The compound literally falls out of the QuickBox QSX with a few light taps. The glass-filled polypropylene shell provides a slick surface with maximum strength and durability. The QuickBox has large wheels and a latch for the pressure plate, which opens completely for easy filling and cleaning. The QuickBox can be filled with the pump, the compound tube, or by hand. The optimized blade design matches the blade with the application, eliminating the need to make adjustments or change crown settings. And it takes just a few seconds to change the long-lasting blades. QuickBox QSX works with all finishing box handles, including the Wizard. Now you can combine the speed and consistency of finishing boxes with the speed of fast-setting joint compound. QuickBox QSX. Only